a big stretch.
I'm gonna stretch one. I'm another one. Okay.
Oh. All right. Wow, that's quite a stretch, son.
Yeah.
Did you put your back out?
I don't know.
All right. Okay, you
Yeah.
are one lucky boy. You are one lucky boy. Do you know why?
Really?
Yep. Yes. I'm gonna whisper it. Shh. Shh.
Son?
Yes, Father.
It's take your son to work day. No way!
Yes.
Hey, Dad! When you tell me stuff like that, I do my happy dance where I shake my hips. I shake my hips. Hello?
Wow. I'm gonna wag my finger at your son. Don't ever do that again.
Okay.
I do not want to see that. All right.
This is my sassy pose.
Yes, it is.
Hello.
Yeah.
Come hither.
You know what my job is?
Yep.
My job is riding bulls, just like this. Yep. They call me the Shrugger. I can shrug my way through any bull ride. All right. First thing we're going to do is we're going to have our breakfast.
Oh, wow.
Just a bowl of Wheaties.
Breakfast of champions, because I'm so strong. Look at me flex. Look at me flex. Grrr.
Wow, you're like a bear.
I know.
You remind me of your mother.
Oh, Dad.
That's awesome.
Snap a picture of Facebook, Dad. Snap a picture. Snap a picture.
Okay.
Ah!
Nice. All right. Okay, I'm going to take a picture of my cereal. Oh, no, I'm not. Throw my camera to the ground. All right, now, your bowl of cereal is in front of you, son. I want you to pour the cereal, pour the milk in the cereal. And
I can do it without looking.
you are
Oh, there we
amazing.
go.
That's awesome. Here, I'm going to grab a spoon for you from the top right cupboard here.
Okay, Dad.
There we go.
Why don't you throw it at me? I'll catch it. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, we're just kind of hovering in the air in front of you. It's a Harry Potter spoon.
Good thing I got it.
There you go. That's good. All right, I'm going to pour some milk into my bowl with my very limp wrist there. There we go.
Hey, Dad. Dad. You know, I am so excited.
Why?
I don't have time to eat it with my spoon. Do you mind if I just stick my face right in it?
Just go right into it.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. You've got an appetite. I'm just going to lift my bowl up to my face and just kind of chug it that way. Oops. I forgot to open my mouth. That was awesome. Okay. Son?
Yes.
Can I see you through the bowl? There we go.
All right. Okay, now that we're done, Dad,
Have you had enough to eat?
I'm ready to ride bulls.
Don't forget your safety equipment.
Yes. Remember my chaps?
You have chaps? Put them on, boy!
One leg? They're spandex.
Spandex chaps.
I just gotta wiggle in and watch. Wiggle.
What will they think of next?
There you go.
You know what? Unfortunately, I've left my chaps behind me in the cupboard, so I'm just going to go back and get them.
I'll watch.
Here we go. That was kind of like a choo-choo train.
Hey, Dad, shake with the good Lord gave you.
Okay.
Look at that! Now I know why Mom loves you so much.
That's right. It's
I
like
look away. It's inappropriate for a child.
I got to lose caboose, son.
You have a loose.
I'm going to put on my chaps!
Okay?
Or I'm just going to punch myself in the nether regions. There we go. Alright, so... Wow. Here I come! Here I come.
Okay, Dad. I'm going to reach down and put my cowboy hat on.
Okay. I'm going to saunter.
Here I go. Here. What? What's on the table? I got it. Put it on with two hands. Watch this. I'm going to adjust it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Wish I could watch. There we go. You look like John Wayne!
I know.
High five!
All right. Nice. Hey, Dad.
Yep.
I'm going to take your hat and throw it on your head.
Okay.
Like a frisbee.
Hopefully I can catch it.
Here we go.
Look at that.
Hey.
Your hand smells like clam sauce. That's odd.
Yes.
Alright, so we're not going to ride real bulls, we're going to ride mechanical bulls.
Hey, Dad.
Yep.
I'm a little scared.
Don't be
Do
scared.
you mind if we ride the bull together?
I don't mind at all.
Okay.
All right, so
I'll
what
get
I
on
want you
first.
to do is get on first. Lift your leg up over the mechanical bull. Okay, oh, there you go. That's good. Both hands on the front. You gotta grab those reins. This is a crazy bull. There you go.
Why are you running away, Dad?
I don't know.
Oh, you're gonna jump on the ball.
I'm gonna jump on the ball in a very slow way. Here I come.
Whoa! Now, Dad, what? You need to hold me around the waist. That's not the waist. Get your hands off my chaps. Hands off the chaps.
Oh, wait. I forgot to put the quarter in the machine.
I'll reach down and do it, Dad.
Great, come here.
Oh,
You got it?
yeah, there we go.
All right, I'm going to press the button with my left hand.
Okay?
You ready?
And we're gonna jiggle.
Well, there's going to be some jiggling. All right. Is this your waist?
Yeah.
Well, thank goodness. Because I cannot see another thing. Oh, that's better. That's better for just a second.
Hey, Dad.
Now your big fat head is in the way.
Before we start, can you whisper in my ear it's gonna be okay? Okay. You have really bad breath.
You have really waxy teeth. All right, film machine turning on. Here goes a bull ride of your life.
Can I put my hands in the air, Dad, like a roller coaster?
Okay, and wave them like you just don't
Put
care.
my hands in the air and wave one like I don't care.
Awesome.
Well,
Okay, here comes a big jump. It's always at the end.
Okay.
Here it comes.
whoops!
Wow, and we landed it.
Wow.
You are awesome. All right, here's what I think we need to do.
Yeah, you're awesome too, Dad.
I need to get my hand off your chest there. Awesome. And, wow.
I'm not sure what I'm doing right now.
Neither am I.
I think I have to go pee. Pretty sure that was a rough bull ride. I'm not sure what you have.
I think I got some gas.
I'm pretty sure that's the end of the bull ride. And before I go pee, I'd like to give you a little huggy.
Before you do that though, Dad,
What?
I learned sign language this week.
You did?
Just for this day. I'm gonna sign language, I love you. Okay, here we go. I love